Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to quickly find how many cells in a range have text in them. As you can see here, I've got this list of values. I want to see how many of these cells, A2 through A16, how many are not empty. So in cell A17 here at the bottom, I'm going to put my cursor. Then on the Home tab, I'm going to come over here to the Sum button, and right next to it I'm going to click the little arrow to bring up this menu. Then I'm going to select more functions. And up here, search for a function. I'm going to say count cells that are not empty. Go. Count A. That's the function I want. If you can remember it's count A, you can just type count A there, and it'll bring it up as well. Count A. That's going to bring up this box. It's going to ask me what values I want. While my cursor is there, all I'm going to do is come over here, select the cells I want. So values A2 through A16, you can see it right there. Tell it OK. There we go, 7. So 7 of these cells have text in them. There you go, that's all there is to it, and hopefully that was helpful.